Why are there so many grades of matcha? In this video, I'm going to explain to you the difference between a ceremonial grade, a pharmaceutical grade, a culinary grade, and even the different tiers of matcha. My name is Fernando. I'm the founder and CEO of Zen's Tea House, and we have a business that primarily works in herbal remedies, holistic health. We work with naturopathic doctors, homeopathic doctors, but we also have quite a bit of people who drink matcha. We have a matcha organic ceremonial grade and a matcha collagen. You got to keep it healthy. But there are so many different types of grades of matcha, and there's no universal regulation standards. And that's because the tea is often priced and graded by the farmers. Matcha farmers, like tea farmers, they will get their tea and they'll make it anonymous and they'll ship it around to local tea farmers, and they will taste and grade, and depending on the texture, depending on its vibrancy, depending on really just how it makes them feel, the euphoric feeling of good quality grassy matcha, they will never drink it with milk, is how they grade their matcha. And based off of that, they send it to brokers, exporters, they auction off the most expensive tea. This is not true just for matcha, it's true for the whole tea industry. And there's different grades, and it's all set by the farmers or the people who are offering those services. It's not a capitalistic driven industry. Matcha is very much a Japanese drink, but you can make it from China. Inferior if you ask me. But the grades change. It depends on how long ago it was packed, when it was grounded. There's stone grounded. There's different ways to de-stem and de-vein matcha, but it's based off the quality control. If I can say it, quite frankly, supply and demand. Good quality matcha is expensive and it's difficult to make. The process and way matcha is made, there's shades of it, there's heats, there's only certain times of the year when it's packed, and only certain times of the year when it's shipped. With tariffs and the popularity of social media making matcha very expensive, you'll probably find that there's a lot of substandard matcha. This is not new. This is very true for Darjeeling. You could do the research. Somehow there's 8 times more Darjeeling on the public market than what is actually manufactured, grown in Darjeeling. Why is that? If you want help navigating the world of matcha, take a look at our YouTube videos. We have quite a few videos on matcha, but when it comes to grading and how it's navigated, you really need a brand that you can trust. Disclaimer, Zen's Tea House is a health and wellness brand. We have good organic ceremonial grade matcha, but there's also the pharmaceutical matcha, which is what people use in capsules. There's the culinary matcha, which is what you use for food, including milk. You would not ever, and I don't suggest ever, using the highest quality matcha and mixing it with milk or burning it with water, and God forbid you add sugar. That's not what you do to good quality tea. You just drink it, consume it, enjoy that flavor and that euphoric feeling. Hope you found this video helpful. If you want more information about matcha, then take a look at the World Tea Expo. It's every year in Las Vegas, Nevada. Well, historically that's where it's been. Go to tea festivals and learn more about the matcha world. It's significantly different from the rest of the tea world, and I hope it continues to grow with popularity. My name is Fernando. I hope you enjoyed this video.